What's up, guys? It's Vato Cholo again with another review and sound test, but this time not Beats by Dr. Dre, but it's in-ear headphones sold by ludacris. Subscribe for more videos. And okay, so we have the sl49, which these retail for like $70. Eh, it's alright though. I got them for like 27 or so at a Radio Shack. They were in clearance. But yeah, I mean, first when you open, this is the side, made for iPod, iPhone, and iPad. Mm. Features and benefits. The back, which I did forget. Okay, so in here you have a sold ludacris hard shelf case. It's alright. I mean, if I compare them to the Beats for Dr. Dre, which I do have here, the only difference is that, well, this one is round. This are from the Beats for Dr. Dre tour. But either way, that's alright. I mean, then if you want to compare the inside of this, so you can see inside. Here's the Beats by Dr. Dre case. Sold by ludacris. So, I mean, they do have some similarities, just with this pocket and the head on the side. Oh, alright. And what we have here is ear plugs. It comes with 3 pairs, 2 in the bag, and I'm assuming that the mediums are in large, small. Let's get them out. I kind of like tucked in. Well, yep, medium. Now, this do depend. I mean, they're not that bad. And for the price, no, here it is. Look. So let's sell 49 for $27.30. Radio Shack. And I mean, I got them with guarantee. So yeah. It was $8 more, so you have a quick manual. Chinese, whatever. But oh wow. We have in here what seems to be like the cable from Beats Tour. It has Soul or ludacris. And I mean both of all S in the inside, I don't know if you can see it, left, and this one it has the right, of course, and we have down, up, play, pause, continue, back, the mic. I mean, it's alright. I mean, as much as the build quality, they seem okay. It seems like if it's metal. But yeah, so let's take our trusty iPhone, and however, I'm just gonna be playing uh some songs while I am. I mean, they have like kind of like noise isolation, so yeah, they're pretty good though. And then, I mean, it depends. Like you have, like if you want the most cancellation, you have to put the big ones. But if you just want to listen to it, I guess it would be these, the small ones. But the mediums are alright. And what I liked about these is that the bass and the treble, they're alright. But yeah, I mean, I barely got these. But yeah, I mean, if you have Beats by Dr. Dre, you should really try the big triple Indian ones, which look like these, which, which these deliver the most bass. And yeah, that's it. I mean, later I'll probably get going with the sl49, or I'm gonna try to get the wireless ones. Maybe some beats. I don't know, man. You let you know. Let me know which one you want me to do. Which is either the iBeats, your beats, another souls. I don't know. That's only if you care though.